After years of speculation, rumors, and intriguing theories, the James Webb Space Telescope has finally delivered something that could completely alter how we view the universe. The first true image of Betelgeuse, the star that has been the subject of so many questions, has now been captured. It was once believed to be on the brink of an explosive end, but what Webb has shown us goes beyond all expectations. Could Betelgeuse be hiding something far more remarkable than we ever imagined? Betelgeuse, one of the most puzzling and enormous stars in the sky, has always intrigued astronomers. As a red supergiant located in the constellation Orion, it stands out, not only because of its size, which is 1,400 times larger than the Sun, but also because of its extreme brightness. This massive star has captivated the scientific community for decades, raising questions about its behavior and the life cycle of stars of such immense size. But what was happening with Betelgeuse in recent years made it an even bigger focal point for study. Then came a shocking development: Betelgeuse began to lose its shine rapidly. This was surprising, especially for a star as large and bright as Betelgeuse. It started dimming at a rate that had never been seen before, which naturally sparked a wave of theories. Was the star reaching the end of its life? Could it be on the verge of a supernova, an explosion so bright it would light up our night sky for weeks? The idea of witnessing a supernova in our own galaxy sent waves of excitement and anticipation through the scientific community. Betelgeuse's sudden and drastic change in brightness raised many eyebrows. The speculation was widespread: were we witnessing the early signs of a supernova, or was the star simply experiencing an unusual period of fading? The anticipation was at an all-time high. A supernova that could be visible to the naked eye would be an unparalleled event in modern astronomy, something that could be studied for years to come. But months went by, and the explosion never came. Instead, the mystery deepened. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, a revolutionary tool designed to look farther and clearer than any telescope before it. With its advanced infrared capabilities, Webb could peer into the heart of Betelgeuse and perhaps reveal the answers that had eluded astronomers for years. As Webb's capabilities were put to the test, Betelgeuse was among the first targets. Would this new technology finally help us understand the true nature of this fascinating star? When the images from Webb finally arrived, they were nothing short of breathtaking. The first high-resolution photograph of Betelgeuse, captured by this remarkable telescope, was not only beautiful but filled with surprises. Instead of showing a dim, dying star, the images revealed a star very much alive with activity. The surface of Betelgeuse was not dull and fading, as many had expected. It was illuminated by hot spots and glowing regions, indicating a level of activity unseen in such a star before. These groundbreaking images revealed something even more astounding: Betelgeuse was surrounded by large clouds of gas and dust that it had expelled into space. The surface of the star was chaotic and constantly changing, with massive explosions taking place regularly. These violent outbursts, known as stellar mass ejections, were responsible for the star's fluctuating brightness. Instead of a calm, dying star, Webb showed us a dynamic, ever-changing surface, a star in the midst of violent activity. The surface of Betelgeuse appeared to be in a constant state of flux, with large areas brightening and dimming within a matter of weeks. This was incredibly unusual for a star of Betelgeuse's size and age. These stellar mass ejections, huge bursts of material shooting out in all directions, are sending shockwaves through the surrounding space, creating massive gas clouds. This unexpected behavior has led astronomers to rethink their theories about Betelgeuse. Some believe these outbursts could signal that the star is nearing the end of its life. What we now know for certain is that Betelgeuse is not behaving like any other star we've studied before. Webb's image is forcing scientists to reassess their understanding of how giant stars live and die. The complexities of Betelgeuse's behavior suggest that the processes at play in the final stages of a star's life may be far more intricate than previously thought. If Betelgeuse were to eventually explode into a supernova, the resulting explosion would light up our sky like a second sun. While we wouldn't be at risk from the explosion, the event would still be awe-inspiring. A supernova of this scale would release an immense amount of energy that could reveal new insights into the creation of elements like iron and oxygen, which are essential for the formation of planets and life itself. The elements that make up life as we know it, carbon, oxygen, and others, were once created in the cores of stars just like Betelgeuse. The eventual death of this star will scatter these elements across the galaxy, helping to give rise to new stars, planets, and potentially even life in other systems. In this sense, observing the end of Betelgeuse is not just about the death of a star, it's about the continuous cycle of cosmic rebirth. But the story doesn't end with Betelgeuse. The James Webb Space Telescope is still in its early stages. This is just one of the many wonders that Webb will continue to reveal. From distant galaxies to the search for habitable exoplanets, Webb is designed to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. And what we've seen so far, whether it's Betelgeuse or other far-off phenomena, is only the beginning. Webb will continue to offer new and breathtaking glimpses into the mysteries of the universe for years to come. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just a tool for understanding the stars, it's a key to unlocking the deepest mysteries of the universe itself. As it explores everything from the formation of galaxies to the nature of dark matter and the possibility of life beyond Earth, it is paving the way for new discoveries that will reshape our understanding of the cosmos. The question of whether we are alone in the universe may finally be answered. Through Webb's unmatched ability to capture the faintest signals and the clearest images, we are now more equipped than ever to study the fundamental forces that shape the universe. Every observation made by Webb brings us closer to uncovering the most profound secrets of existence. What do you think of this groundbreaking new image of Betelgeuse captured by the James Webb Space Telescope? With its incredible infrared capabilities, Webb has given us a never-before-seen look at one of the largest and most intriguing stars in our galaxy. Do you think Betelgeuse is about to explode, or is there still more to learn about this mysterious star? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope,